Hey everybody, this is Temeka Thompson. This is Career Coach Cafe and it is Friday, so this is your lunch nugget for the week. Wanted to touch base with you all, and first, thank you so much for following me. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your comments, your questions, your feedback. I greatly appreciate it. Today, what we're going to do is we are going to talk about the job search strategy. We have talked about a number of things over the past couple of weeks, and so today I think that it's important for us to cover the job search strategy. One of the things that you want to make sure that once you have an updated and a marketable resume, as you're looking for different opportunities, I think one of the biggest things that I hear the most from a lot of my clients, from students and people just looking for different opportunities to either get back into the marketplace or to up-level their career. You know, one of the things that they always say is, I apply for all these jobs and I don't ever hear anything back. So it's like their resume goes and their application goes into this black hole. So the resume and the application really don't go into a black hole, people. What it is there is a strategy around how you are searching and looking and applying to opportunities. And if you are applying to a position and you don't meet all of the qualifications for that particular position, guess what? You're probably not going to get a call back. So one of the things that I want to make sure that we're spotlighting and we're highlighting is, as you're looking for those jobs and you're reading over the job description, don't just pay attention to the job description in and of itself. So look at not only the job description, look at the qualifications for the opportunity. If you can't say that 90% of the qualifications you meet or you exceed, don't apply to that opportunity. Do yourself as well as the recruiter a favor and find an opportunity where you are meeting those qualifications at least 90% of. So that means if they're saying that you have to have a bachelor's degree, if you have to have 3 years of experience, and if you have to have, let's say, a particular certification, make sure that you have at least 2 of those 3. The best qualifications is, the best opportunity is when you meet all of those qualifications, right? But if you don't, at least make sure that you're meeting at least 90% of that job requirement. So if they're asking for 3 years of experience, it's more than likely 3 years of relevant experience. That means 3 years of experience within that particular job function, performing those particular roles. So just make sure that you're looking through those job announcements, that you're really paying attention not only to the job description, but more so the job qualifications. I promise you, if you meet those job qualifications, you're going to get callbacks. So I absolutely would welcome any of your feedback, all of your feedback. I definitely want to reach out and just offer some support. If you have more questions, let me know. And I'm open to your feedback. So I welcome you again to this page. I thank you so much for your support. And let's go out there and be game changers and get those different levels of opportunities. So if you want to up-level your career, if you want to make sure that you are positioning yourself in the job market where you're supposed to be, let's get out there and let's do it. Look over those job descriptions. Make sure you have that marketable resume. Look over those job descriptions. Look over those qualifications, and then go out there and apply to those opportunities that you most qualify for. All right, this is your girl, Temeka Thompson, and this is your Career Coach Cafe for Friday and your lunch nugget. I am logging off now, and I look forward to seeing your comments and hearing your feedback and getting more questions that you want to hear about. Talk to you soon.